heartening to note, it is heartening to note that Comrade Georges Ibrahim Abdullah has been released from a French jail. He has been languishing in the same jail for over 41 years now. He was arrested when he was 33 years in Lebanon and then transferred to a French prison. Right? Despite pressures on him to make apologies for whatever he had done, he resented this and he never bowed down to the pressures of the state. He stood firm on his conviction for a free Palestine. He fought for the cause of the Palestinian people, and because of that, the rulers in Lebanon and as well as the French government put him in detention for such a long period. I think in the history of imprisonment, perhaps more than Nelson Mandela, who had undergone some 38 years in prison, this comrade, Georges Ibrahim Abdullah, languished in the jail for almost about 41 years. This is perhaps a record in terms of a political prisoner being in jail for such a long time, right? On behalf of the CPIML, we express our greetings to the released comrade who never bowed down, who never comrade, that despite all the hardships in the prison cell, he never bowed down to the pressures of the state. So we warmly welcome Comrade George Fernandez back to his place of birth, Lebanon. Right? We greet him, and all of us should learn from him the conviction that he has exhibited in terms of upholding the lofty ideal of our free Palestine.